Are you ready to dive into the delightful world of pickleball, where the paddles are as vibrant as the players? Whether you're a seasoned pro smashing serves or a curious newbie trying to decipher the rules, the right paddle can make all the difference. In this video, we're serving up the ultimate guide to the best pickleball paddles. Because who wants to be the only one at the court wielding a slippery spatula instead of a top-notch paddle? Let's paddle on! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Vatic Pro Prism, our pick for best budget pickleball paddle. The Vatic Pro Prism is the pickleball paddle that's as serious about your game as you are, without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to the awkward moment when your paddle feels more like a soggy sponge than a powerful tool. Crafted from top-notch T700 carbon fiber, this paddle is your trusty sidekick, expertly designed for those who want to play hard and play smart. Thanks to its innovative foam edge walls, the Vatic Pro Prism lets you reset faster, place shots with surgical precision, and wrap up points like a seasoned pro. And guess what? It's light as a feather, so you can wave it around like you own the court without tiring out. What makes the Prism series a game changer is its cold molding process. Unlike those overly baked paddles that either feel too sponge-like or pack a punch that sends your ball spiraling off into the stratosphere, this genius method finds that sweet spot, just the right amount of power with fantastic control. With a broader cross-sectional area, this paddle evenly distributes loads, giving you consistent power, even when those pesky mishits happen. And hey, it's USAPA approved, so you can strut your stuff in confidence, knowing you're wielding a paddle favored by PPA and MLP pros. So step onto the court with the Vatic Pro Prism, your new partner in the pursuit of pickleball glory. Elevate your game. After all, you deserve to shine! Number 4. SLK NEO 2, our pick for best beginner pickleball paddle set. Meet the SLK NEO 2, your new best friend on the pickleball court. If you're just diving into the exciting world of pickleball, this paddle set is basically your trusty sidekick, blending innovation, comfort, and affordability like a pro. These paddles are like a love letter to your game, thanks to the revolutionary multi-layer face technology that fuses the power of graphite with the finesse of fiberglass. Yes, it's what the pros use, and now you can too. The exclusive SX3 honeycomb core makes every strike feel like magic with a generous sweet spot that absorbs impact and leaves you with that soft, delightful feel. Weighing in at just 7.5 ounces, they're the perfect balance of lightweight and medium weight. Just right for honing your skills without tossing your control out the window. And let's talk about comfort. The Ultra Cushion grip, measuring 4.25 inches around and 5.25 inches long, is like giving your hand a cozy hug while absorbing sweat and shock. No more fatigue while you're dashing around the court. With the SLK NEO 2, you're not just acquiring paddles, you're stepping into a world of support and enjoyment that elevates your game and amplifies the joy every time you play. Embrace your inner pickleball superstar and let the fun begin. Still searching for the perfect pickleball paddle? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus, our pick for best pickleball paddle with charged surface technology. Get ready to elevate your pickleball game with the JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus paddle, where cutting-edge technology meets world-class play. Designed in collaboration with the top player in the game, this paddle isn't just a tool, it's your trusty sidekick in the pursuit of pickleball glory. With its charged carbon surface technology, you'll feel every strike with a pop that's nothing short of exhilarating. Say goodbye to mediocre shots and hello to a crisp response that energizes your every play. Whether you're serving, smashing, or strategizing, this paddle amplifies your power while keeping your finesse intact. Crafted fully in carbon for durability, it's built to endure even your fiercest matches. It's lightweight at just 8 ounces, so you can swing it all day without turning your arm into spaghetti. Plus, the optimized sweet spot is a game changer. It's like having your own little area of magic that enhances your accuracy and control. And let's not forget about comfort. The FeelTech Pure Grip absorbs sweat like a pro, ensuring your non-stop rallies stay in your hands and out of the kitchen. With dimensions that fit just right, 16.5 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, this paddle is tailor-made for adults who mean business on the court. So gear up, grab your JOOLA Perseus paddle, and unleash your inner pickleball beast. Number 2. Selkirk LUXX Air Invikta, our pick for best pickleball paddle for unmatched control. The Selkirk LUXX Air Invikta is your new partner in crime on the pickleball court. If you're tired of paddles that just don't get you, let the LUXX Air Invikta sweep you off your feet. First up, say hello to the aerodynamic throat. With its masterful design, you can finally experience the kind of airflow that makes your gameplay feel as smooth as a mixtape from the 90s. Control the ball like never before. It's almost like you've got a sixth sense. And speaking of control, meet Throat Flex, your secret weapon for maximizing ball contact. It's got the flex you need to elevate your shots while ensuring that your power play hits every time. Consistency? Check. But wait, there's more. The Pro Spin Plus Next Gen texture is your new buddy for unleashing spin that'll leave opponents scratching their heads in confusion. You can now curl that ball like a professional chef whisking up a souffle, with precision that'll dazzle. With 3 60-degree proto-molding, you get a power boost and a sweet feel on every hit. It's like each hit sings a harmonious tune. Lastly, the Flex Foam perimeter wraps around the paddle's edges, adding durability and stability, making sure your paddle can keep up, even on your most ambitious days. So step into your ultimate pickleball experience with the LUXX Air Invikta. It's time to take control. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. CRBN-3X Power Series, our pick for best pickleball paddle overall. The CRBN-3X Power Series is the paddle that promises to make your pickleball dreams come true. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, this paddle is your new best friend on the court, with a colossal sweet spot that seems to shout, "I've got your back." Every time you swing, you'll wonder how you ever played without it. Say goodbye to pesky vibrations and hello to shot consistency that'll make your opponents green with envy. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber because you deserve the best, the CRBN-3X gives you spin potential that spins heads and balls and strikes that perfect balance between power and precision. We're talking about swings that cut through the air like a hot knife through butter. But wait, there's more. This paddle boasts a revolutionary unibody design. No more weak joints that scream "break me" during a heated match. The seamless construction enhances responsiveness and durability while providing a comfy grip that feels like a warm hug in your hand. At just 0.32 kilograms, this featherweight champion is built for marathon matches without weighing you down. So whether you're playing pickleball for fun or aiming for the championship, the CRBN-3X Power Series is here to elevate your game. Get ready to swing with confidence, impress your friends, and maybe even snag a few well-earned bragging rights along the way. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best pickleball paddles. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which pickleball paddle you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.